A bolt-action sniper is a specialized firearm used for long-range precision shooting. It operates with a bolt mechanism that is manually operated by the shooter to chamber each round. First, the shooter lifts the bolt handle upwards and pulls it back to eject any spent cartridge from the chamber. Next, they insert a new cartridge into the chamber, pushing the bolt forward to seat it securely. Then they lock the bolt down by rotating the handle clockwise, locking the cartridge in place for firing. When the shooter pulls the trigger, the firing pin strikes the primer of the cartridge, igniting the powder inside. The burning powder creates high-pressure gases that propel the bullet through the barrel and out of the rifle. After firing, the shooter lifts and pulls back the bolt again to eject the spent cartridge and load the next round. This step-by-step manual process allows for precision and control, making bolt-action snipers highly accurate at long distance. A pump-action shotgun is a type of firearm that is popular for home defense and hunting owing to its simplicity and reliability. It operates through a manual mechanism that ejects spent shells and loads new ones from a magazine tube. First, the user pulls back the forend, which is the forearm that moves the action rearward. This backward motion extracts the spent shell from the chamber and ejects it outside the firearm, making space for a new shell. Next, when the user pushes the forend forward, it engages the loading mechanism. This action chambers a new shell from the magazine tube into the firing chamber, readying the shotgun to fire again. The process of cycling the forend back and forth can be repeated multiple times, allowing the shooter to fire multiple rounds rapidly if needed. The design of a pump-action shotgun ensures that each shot requires manual operation, providing the user with increased control and safety. In summary, a pump-action shotgun works step by step through a cyclic process of extraction, ejection, loading, and chambering, making it a dependable weapon system. The Beretta Brigadier 40 is a semi-automatic pistol renowned for its precision and reliability. It is designed with a robust construction to withstand rigorous use in various scenarios. The firearm operates using a recoil-operated delayed blowback system that ensures smooth cycling. When the trigger is pulled, the firing pin strikes the primer, igniting the cartridge's gunpowder. This creates explosive gas pressure that propels the bullet forward through the barrel. As the bullet exits, the slide moves backward due to recoil, ejecting the spent cartridge case. The recoil spring then pushes the slide forward, chambering a new round from the magazine. This cycle continues seamlessly with each pull of the trigger, allowing for rapid firing. 40's design incorporates safety features like a manual safety and firing pin block for user protection. The M16 is a military assault rifle that has been used by the United States Armed Forces since the 1960s. It was originally designed by Eugene Stoner and is known for its lightweight design and high accuracy. The rifle operates using a gas-operated rotating bolt mechanism which cycles to load each new round. When a soldier pulls the trigger, a firing pin strikes the primer of the cartridge, igniting the gunpowder inside. The explosion pushes the firing pin back, releasing the bolt, which then moves rearward due to the gas pressure. As the bolt moves back, it ejects the spent cartridge case and cocks the firing pin for the next shot. Simultaneously, a new round from the magazine is pushed upward into the chamber by the weapon's action. This cycle repeats rapidly as long as the trigger is held down, allowing for continuous firing. The M16's design incorporates rifled barrels for increased accuracy and adjustable sights for aiming precision. An AR-15 is a type of semi-automatic rifle that is widely recognized for its modular design and versatility. It was originally developed in the 1950s by Eugene Stoner for military use, but has since become popular among civilians for sport shooting and self-defense. The AR-15 operates using a gas-operated direct impingement system that cycles the firearm's action after each shot. When a round is fired, gases from the ignited gunpowder are diverted through a small port in the barrel into a gas tube. These gases then push a piston or directly impinge on the bolt carrier group, causing it to move backward. This rearward motion extracts the spent cartridge case from the chamber and ejects it from the rifle. Simultaneously, a spring-driven buffer mechanism pushes the bolt carrier group forward again, chambering a new round from the magazine. The modularity of the AR-15 allows users to customize their rifles with different barrels, stocks, and accessories to suit various preferences and needs. Understanding how the AR-15 works, step by step, clarifies its technological design and operational complexity. The AK-47, officially known as the Avtomat Kalashnikova Model 1947, is a gas-operated assault rifle that utilizes a rotating bolt mechanism to cycle and fire ammunition, providing a reliable and effective means of delivering firepower in various combat situations. When the trigger is pulled, the sear releases the hammer, which strikes the firing pin, igniting the primer in the cartridge and causing the bullet to be propelled down the barrel, while the gas expelled from the fired round is then redirected through a port into the gas tube. As the bullet exits the barrel, the gas pressure pushes the bolt carrier backward, which ejects the spent casing, chambers a new round from the magazine, and resets the firing mechanism for subsequent shots, allowing for rapid follow-up fire. This continuous cycle of firing, ejecting, and chambering allows the AK-47 to maintain a high rate of fire, typically around 600 rounds per minute, making it a favored choice among armed forces and militias worldwide for its effectiveness in various combat scenarios. Known for its durability and low production costs, the AK-47 has been utilized in numerous conflicts around the globe since its inception, making it one of the most widely recognized and used firearms in modern history. Its iconic status can be attributed not only to its mechanical simplicity and reliability, but also to its adoption by revolutionary movements and guerrilla warfare tactics, which have solidified its place in both military and cultural narratives. Moreover, the AK-47's design has inspired countless variations and derivatives, leading to the development of numerous other firearms, thereby influencing modern weaponry and continuing to shape military strategies across the world. This evolution reflects ongoing innovations in firearm technology while maintaining the core principles of the AK-47's original design, ensuring that it remains relevant in both civilian and military applications today. In the world of firearms, the Smith & Wesson .44 Magnum is renowned for its power and precision. This revolver was introduced in the 1950s and quickly gained popularity among hunters, shooters, and law enforcement agencies. The .44 Magnum operates using a step-by-step process based on scientific principles of combustion and mechanical motion. First, the shooter loads the cylinder with .44 Magnum cartridges, each containing a specific amount of gunpowder. When the trigger is pulled, the hammer strikes the firing pin, which then impacts the primer of the cartridge. This impact ignites the gunpowder within the cartridge, producing rapidly expanding gases. These gases exert pressure on the base of the bullet, forcing it down the barrel at high velocity. As the bullet travels through the rifled barrel, the grooves impart a spin, stabilizing its flight for accuracy. Finally, the bullet exits the muzzle, delivering powerful energy to the target with remarkable precision.